Since the beginning of the pandemic, online shopping has generated billions in sales and subscription services soared. This holiday season, we're checking into why subscription boxes make good holiday gifts. Here now with some Michigan boxes to consider for gifts is Christopher George, co-founder and chairman of the Subscription Trade Association. Christopher, good morning. Thanks for being here with us.
Of course. Thank you for having me.
I need some holiday gift ideas for sure. So for people that don't know, what is SUBTA?
So SUBTA is a Subscription Trade Association. We've cultivated the community of all the direct-to-consumer subscription brands. So everything from FabFitFun to HelloFresh, Blue Apron, they're all part of our community. And we've built this association to help them grow their business, but also help them get exposure to what they're building.
Why are subscription boxes so hot right now?
Look, we all know with the pandemic, online shopping had huge growth in 2020. But also with subscription boxes, it's this idea of discovered delight. You're giving somebody something that you don't know what's going to be in it potentially. They don't know what's going to be in it potentially. And it's really exciting. And then that can come month over month over month. It's like the gift that keeps on giving.
And what boxes are you recommending for this holiday season and why?
Yeah, so there's so many, right? And I pulled out a few and based on who that might be for. So first one I'm going to show you guys is Created with Love. I really like this one. This is like a date night in a box. And there's really cool activities here. This one here is like called Summer of Love, and you do a tie-dye of a bandana, and you do this with your significant other. It's like really cool, high-quality stuff. You can see like they got the different colors in here. There's cards and there's games. It's a really good way to like sort of like rekindle date night, right? I really like the Created with Love. The other one that I like, and this is a Detroit-based company, is Taste Crate. I don't know if you've heard of Taste Crate. They're fairly new, but they are healthy, unique snacks delivered. I really like the tagline here, guilt-free snacks almost, but this is like good healthy snacks to have around the house, right? For the whole family. So this is a great gift to have sent to your home. And then for anybody that you know that might be really into tea, this is called Tea Runners. And they actually send you, it's about 40 cups of tea per month with different flavors.
This is just up my alley because I'm the tea drinker of the morning show. So
this is perfect
I love this.
You. Yeah, so this gets delivered every single month. You don't have to worry about getting tea every month. It's delivered right to your door, and you can get creative, like picking different flavors or trying different items. So that's really cool. And then I've got one for her. So if you've got somebody that's into working out, this is called the Barbella box. This is really cool. This is like beauty and fitness all in one box. And this comes with a lot of different things here. Here's like an electrolytes package. They've got some cream for like, this is for like, you've got calories from working out. They've got this unique sports bra that comes in here, filled with a ton of great stuff and really a good gift for that individual that's into working out and fitness. And then lastly, we can't forget about the kids. So we got Knowledge Crate. And I really like this one a lot because they're sending you activities, things to do with your children to, maybe keep them off the iPad a little bit this year. But this is full with like, first of all, this is amazing booklets with activities and drawing books. And this has got a bunch of Play-Doh in it. I don't know if you can see everything in here, but like arts and crafts and something that you can really do with your child this season, and is a great gift for your children.
All of these boxes look awesome. Where can people go to find out more information?
Yeah, so if you go to SUBTA.com, which is SUBTA.com, we've got a whole holiday gift guide broken down by category. So if you're looking for some gifts, check out the holiday gift guide and lots of options there.
I love this idea. Christopher George, co-founder and chairman of SUBTA, thanks for being here with us this morning.
Of course. Thank you for having me.